are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found, and don't forget to subscribe.
The Logitech C922.
This is the C922 webcam.
Everybody wants to see the content creator's face.
With the C922, you will get the camera itself, and you get your own very little mini tripod.
C922, it's my favorite webcam.
Here we have the C922 Pro Stream webcam. Logitech create the best webcams I've ever used. They're the easiest to set up. It's a USB, you plug it in your computer, and you can just load it up in whatever software you're rocking.
Come to find out, the C922 actually works with an Xbox One. For all of you guys out there that have an Xbox, y'all might want to look into the C922.
It is the industry standard for a reason because it works everywhere on every rig, on every machine.
Just stream from your console, especially if you're on Xbox. Get a Logitech camera, plug it in, you're good to go.
Logitech webcams are the greatest webcams ever.
What is a ring? Ring is a promise, commitment between two souls dedicated to each other, to the care and love. Unbelievable. You care about your audience. Why are you live streaming like this? Mevo is like having a professional camera crew in your pocket. Well, I guess third time's the charm.
You can cut and zoom from a single Mevo as if you were shooting from multiple cameras. Or set Mevo to autopilot and let it do the live editing for you.
Mevo streams live to every major platform, so you can reach your audience wherever they are.
And it streams beautiful HD video over Wi-Fi or LTE.
To look great, you gotta sound great. Mevo makes it easy to capture professional quality audio. And with the Boost accessory, you can stay live for over 10 hours.
So whether you're live streaming to share a moment,
To reach more clients,
To get your message out,
Or to connect with your fans.
look your best with Mevo.
Hi, I'm Ziva Nissan, Head of Product Management for Video Collaboration at Logitech, and I'm here today to introduce you to the best webcam ever to hit the market, Logitech Brio. Technologies and use cases surrounding video streaming have grown at an astronomical pace. Logitech Brio provides television-like image quality with your 4K display, as well as the greatest image quality in 1080p Full HD and 720p HD at up to 60 frames per second. Coupled with a very smooth 5x zoom, Brio lets you focus in on and move around your scene flawlessly. Logitech's Right Light 3 with HDR makes Brio the first webcam to adjust to both low light and high or natural sunlight. Brio also includes an infrared sensor and LED for the most reliable and speedy facial recognition login using Windows Hello or other software. Logitech Brio ships with a convenient carrying case and supports USB 2, 3, and is Type-C compatible. The camera settings application is available for both PC and Mac from the Logitech website. As the #1 webcam manufacturer in the world, who designs and develops superior optical technology from the ground up, Logitech brings you the highest quality, feature-rich video experience to date. For more information on Logitech Brio, please visit logitech.com.